In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to the homepage in Shopify Sense theme. By the end, you'll know the quickest, no-code way to place a clean, engaging video right on your storefront using the built-in tools in the Sense theme. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store, then Themes. Find your Sense theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, which is where you'll visually build and adjust your homepage without touching code. At the top, there's a page selector. Make sure you're editing the homepage template so the changes you make show up on your main storefront. On the left sidebar, click Add Section. In the list that appears, scroll or use the search bar to find an option called Video or Video Banner. Themes label this slightly differently, but in Sense, you'll see a video-focused section available. Select it, and Shopify will add that video section to your homepage layout. You can drag it up or down in the sidebar to place it exactly where you want it to appear relative to other sections. Next, configure the section. You can paste a video link, commonly from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or upload a video file directly. If you upload, keep the file size reasonable for faster loading. Most stores look best with short clips that get to the point quickly. Add a poster or fallback image if the section supports it. This is the thumbnail that appears before the video plays, and it's also what some mobile browsers show when autoplay isn't available. Choose a clear, on-brand image so the section still looks polished even before playback. Set the video height to match your design, then review options like autoplay and looping if they're supported. Keep in mind that many browsers require videos to be muted to autoplay, so if you enable autoplay, ensure the sound is off by default. If the section offers overlay text, a heading, or a call to action button, add concise copy and a link to a relevant collection or product. Adjust overlay contrast so your text is legible against the video. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top right corner. Use the preview to see the video on your homepage in context. Check it on both desktop and mobile views to confirm the pacing, text readability, and overall load time. If something feels off, maybe the video is too tall or the text gets lost, jump back into the settings, tweak the options, and save again. That's it. Your homepage now features a clean, engaging video section using the Sense theme's built-in tools.